Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fun Funnels Facebook page. My name is Donnie and today I would like to take a quick review on another landing page by Aweber. And the reason I want to bring up Aweber because um, they provide a pro and free service. And for those of you who are just starting to start your own business, we're trying to cut down our expenses as much as possible, and we always appreciate free service, aren't we? At least I do. And the good thing about Aweber, the free service allows you to have up to 500 subscribers, and you can send 3,000 emails per month. You only have one list, but there's a possibility that you only need one list and you can apply tags. We'll talk about that later. We'll see what kind of feature they have. But from a quick glance, Aweber allow you to have the email automation, which is great. Create a newsletter, and yeah, it comes with free landing pages. So this is all great features. Yep, they do allow you to have segmentation. So that means like you can have one email service and then you can put a different tag to identify or to segregate the channels or possibly the profile of your users so you can serve them better. All right, so let's take a look at the landing page process itself. Again, this is my first time to look at it. I haven't seen it. I just signed up a few minutes ago. Let's take a look at it and see if we can build a new landing page within, let's say, 10 minutes. All right, so I have a timer here. I just want to see how far can I go, how easy and intuitive. And we will try to use all the features that they provide us, including email templates, which I'm sure they will have it. And for this example, we will try to do like the most common things that people do, which is we're gonna give away an ebook in exchange of email address. All right, let's get started. 10 minutes, start now. All right, we go to create, choose a template. All right, let's find some ebook, opt-in consultation. We might be able to use this consultation one. All right, I see book promotion. Let's see. Let's do a preview, see if we like it. All right, just a simple. The cover page and name, email address, and sign up. I think that would be good enough. Let's check on another one quickly, I guess. Yeah, how about, I'm just curious about the consultation. So, okay, we got this, the benefits, some video. All right. Yeah, this will work too. We can definitely play around, but just for simplicity, we're gonna choose the book promotion page, choose template. All right, so it actually come up with some tour here, which is great for first-time user. Click around its template elements and right. Okay. Drag in new rows, so you can just drag and drop whatever elements into the page, and go to the page setting to set up your paid social media sharing. Click save at the bottom and you're done. All right, so I like that how that they help you to navigate the menu for the first time. Insert landing page name. Let's call it free ebook test, or just free ebook. All right. All right. Let's see if I can come up with so I like how they allow you, like they have like the maximum width, so that's very helpful. Otherwise people usually get confused on how, like what is the resolution that we should upgrade, upload, I mean. Okay, so looks like for the image you can actually upload your own image like what I did. You can choose an image gallery for like, looks like this is maybe from like stock photos site, right? You can include the URL. You can do the alt text here. All right, very easy to do so far. And let's say I want to change this to red. How would I do this? Okay, not the best design, but it's good enough. I'm just playing around with the feature. The red gives me headache, but you can actually pick any color here, whatever you want. All right. So let's say we want to add a video to the. All right, there you go. You can add a video here. Easily just enter the video URL from YouTube or Vimeo to embed the video on your page. So let's say if we pick just any YouTube, let's pick There you go. Just gonna pick random video here. There. I like it. Will you be able to adjust the side? Not from here. So, oh, okay. Nope. Okay, looks like I won't be able to adjust the size like if I want to make it smaller. But yeah, that's okay. That's good enough just for testing. All right. And let's say we want to make the name required. How do you do that? There you click on this and name, you just click required. It's that simple. And done. Okay. How much more time? Oh, 1 minute. All right. Looks like, let's say we're done with this, and what do we do next? Submission. Let's look at the thank you. All right. So the thank you is very simple with no layout or anything, just blank HTML. But that works. And save and exit, I guess. And that's it. You are done. So you can actually create something in less than 10 minutes, which is impressive. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and then I will try to play around with this again and post some updates later on in the future. If you find this useful, feel free to follow this page and check back again later. Thanks.